In this video, we are going to write data in our Firebase Realtime database. The add quote layout file is complete. Go to add quote Java file. Here, we have to bind views with the layout file, attach listener to the add button, and create data in our database. First, bind the views to the layout. Attach click listener to the add button. Here, we get text from the views. Make sure the text is not empty. To communicate with database, we will instantiate the Firebase database connection. Create a hash map of the data and then push it to the database. Let's run and test our application. We can see that our quotes are added to the database in real time. See you in the next video.